Nabo EKURU AMERU baria bakaragante cia Nairobi kinyabo ni baririte siasa ira chikwethirwa tigikarika ndene ya kaunti ya AMERU aria nandi bethiritwe kinyabo ni bakwenda ngavana KAWIRA Mwangaza na BAKUUGA ni aremetwe ni ngugi yawe na kinya guti maromba zakethirwa zakimutethereria. Boniface Mongera na aranirite na EKURU babaga tumenyithie chio.
Nabo EKURU ashere na inyare bakuma kaunti AMERU barbatora Nairobi nande bashumirite kongera uge bwao kurente tuiria shitite na mbere batongere twenwe Beatrice Karitho Kiugo orosho gitike bungiro tiro no dimenti na nkoroki orori mugati mbarumu no gavana Kera Mwangaza nande baruba gwitikane moni jamiru baba ingi barakwa gavana Kera Mwangaza nethiro akioro murigo ane kwawe nontu naite aibo mpanga Nakire.
If we are not careful, Meru is going to turn into a war zone, and we are not going to embarrass our Inspector General, our Minister of Interior, to set up Meru for war. We refused Maandamano. We are not going to bring Maandamano indirectly through a fake Okolea program whose agenda is not genuine. No keja kwetherwa agenda ya Okolea is genuine. Totengiona your father-in-law Agiokolewa iraim the other day. You should have started it there.
Vi Karitho Kiugo oromburite ninyanika muitrengo jo gavana Kera Mwangaza alikuwa nonero keneria mbeo ntukwembere ekonyuitho muma
rerea gavana abwiri gutonya ofisi ampere nafasi ekwethirwa ininka oversee a transition in office. Unfortunately, she never picked my phone so that she could guide me. Ndaerwe chance kwa guided by the sister, which is okay. Nontu as you get into office, the people close to you are the people you work with. Narerea DG antomere list yewe antubegembe bagwita lanchion. Mwarongi na o governor amberere ignore. Ko ikuona ni governor ojo from the word go. Nante kwa ariorongo ndemo Kristo. Kwera gogaita mwekuru nge nguo. Lakini harako kinyete no mwanka AMERU bemenye ina denere
ja bona obotengani Karitha rita na mbere kwa gavana Kera Mwangaza nyakethiro etetere maraika gachoko bisine otiro sarakasi kethiro shethira no tokembere injogu ekirithia intereka otokeije maringo na kibuli kya kinene nkoroki kiri mara na kinge inorocho ichirite mugotene jwangere
Nontu tiomba kwethirwa narwo bishop kanisa ni gwo kurombera anto winyenyekerie wetwe kwa deputy governor wekirenja wetera kuona deputy president wekirenja ro uburu we ambo. But when you meet people you think don't matter or people you look down upon, when simba malala kawe njogu yogiti character traits yoke ya kuona mtu na character traits ago change ya depending on the situation, then there could be a problem.
Vai nginabo na mono pamumbire jo mwekuru bwa gavana Kera Mwangaza ora manto joka gitenekaja tonyithite mundu nekirite mwekuru kimiro ndawi nyingi na ivo ne nyankoroki anyi abonga point.
Meru women are very hardworking to render sustainable development projects. Kanani atanto beto oni AMERU ora bageta barime baekere roji o ba pipe emo inanga ikia pipe emo. I am a witness of how Okolea is carried out. And when I say this, I am standing for the truth. Okolea etete kaire any other media house e cover Okolea programs. In the other one, they shemani on you, and I'm telling you the truth. Okay, jakwedra umete Citizen, Wero TV, Nation or any other media, otena roda rakweja government program, governor SCSR e Okolea. Yet this is a state official. Nonto daire ko kinyaga gitara ko ga into AMERU bagera romandi buti nara nyakina ekoroba korane rau akoroba korane rau twana to skuru to korane rau okana na gambutse namba 13 na namba 12 okaibangira mbere
na nonto bonto bonande bi Karitho Kiugo na njore bare Mrs babunge kaunti AMERU mapema ndio best.
Mapema ndio best. KAWIRA is incompetent. She does not deserve to be a governor of Meru. Corona River Meru baeja kwa guarantee 20 years. The picture she has painted of Meru is toxic. We are going to lose markets. locally, internationally, and the best way is to salvage KAWIRA from Lang'ata Women Prison. And the best way to do that is to send her home through an impeachment.
Nke reporter Antosharu TV weekendi kuma aja kengina ngine kine kemshusha Nairobi. Mbeta Boniface Mongera.